Did you know that putting certain foods in the fridge can actually ruin their flavor, destroy their texture, or even make them spoil faster? Most people make this mistake every single day without realizing it. Stay with me, because today I'm revealing 10 foods you should never put in the fridge. And number 7 might be sitting in yours right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Refrigerators are great, but not everything belongs in them. Some foods actually taste worse, lose nutrients, or go bad faster when refrigerated. Let's dive into the foods you should always keep out of your fridge to keep them fresh, flavorful, and safe to eat. Food 1. Tomatoes. Flavor killer. Cold temperatures break down the natural texture of tomatoes and make them mealy and bland. Tomatoes should always be stored at room temperature to keep their flavor sweet and juicy. Food 2. Potatoes. Texture destroyer. Putting potatoes in the fridge turns their starch into sugar too quickly, giving them a weird, gritty taste. Store them in a cool, dark place instead, like a pantry or a basket. Food 3. Onions. Moisture trap. In the fridge, onions absorb moisture and get soft, moldy, and mushy fast. Keep them in a cool, dry, and ventilated area, but keep them away from potatoes, which can cause both to spoil faster. Food 4. Garlic. Mold magnet. Garlic needs air circulation. The fridge traps moisture and speeds up sprouting and mold. Instead, store whole garlic bulbs in a dry basket at room temperature. Food 5. Bread. The freshness killer. Cold temperatures actually dry bread out faster and make it go stale. If you won't finish it quickly, freeze it instead of refrigerating it. Freezing keeps it fresh without drying it out. Food 6. Honey. Texture ruiner. Honey is naturally shelf-stable and can last forever at room temperature. The fridge makes honey crystallize and harden quickly, making it harder to use. Food 7. Coffee. Aroma. Destroyer. Coffee absorbs moisture and odors from the fridge, ruining its flavor and freshness. Keep coffee beans or grounds in an airtight container at room temperature. Food 8. Avocados. Ripening blocker. Unripe avocados will stop ripening in the fridge. Let them ripen at room temperature first. Once they're soft, you can refrigerate them to slow down over-ripening. Food 9. Basil. The fridge wilting trap. Basil leaves wilt quickly in cold temperatures and absorb fridge odors. Keep fresh basil in a glass of water at room temperature, like a bouquet, and cover it loosely with a bag. Food 10. Bananas. The ripening stopper. Cold temperatures stop bananas from ripening and turn their skin black. Leave them at room temperature to ripen naturally. They'll taste sweeter and keep their smooth texture. Bonus mistake. Another big mistake is overcrowding your fridge. When air can't circulate, everything spoils faster. Make sure your fridge isn't packed too tightly to keep foods fresh longer. Let's quickly recap the 10 foods you should never put in the fridge. Tomatoes, potatoes, onions, garlic, bread, coffee, avocados, if unripe, basil, bananas. So what's in your fridge right now that shouldn't be there? Confess in the comments, no judgment here. And hey, if this video helped clean up your fridge habits, smash that subscribe button like you're tossing an old soggy onion. Want to keep your kitchen smarter? Check out my next video, 10 common cooking mistakes that are ruining your food. You won't believe mistake number 4.